How do you aggregate logging and monitoring in microservices architecture? Imagine trying to keep track of a busy city with hundreds of roads, cars, and traffic signals all working together. Now, picture doing that for a system made up of many small services. That's what managing logs and monitoring in a microservices setup feels like. It can be tricky because each service runs independently, but you need a way to see the whole picture clearly. So, how do teams do this effectively? Let's walk through the main steps. First, it's important to make sure all your logs follow the same format. Using a structured format like JSON helps because it keeps all the information in a consistent way. This includes timestamps, service names, log levels, and extra details. When logs are uniform, it's much easier to search through them and find what you need. Next, you want to connect logs from different services. To do that, generate a unique correlation identifier for each client request. This ID travels with the request across all services involved. When you look at logs later, you can trace the entire journey of that request, making troubleshooting much simpler. Centralizing log collection is another key step. Instead of storing logs locally on each service, send them to a central system. Tools like Fluentd or Logstash act as log collectors, gathering logs from all sources into one place. This setup makes managing logs easier, and it improves security and backup processes. To stay ahead of issues, it's smart to process logs in real time. Platforms like Apache Kafka or Amazon Kinesis can stream logs as they happen, allowing you to set up alerts for critical problems immediately. Monitoring isn't just about logs. Collect metrics like CPU usage, request times, and error rates from each service. Use tools like Prometheus to gather and visualize this data. When all metrics are in one place, it's easier to spot patterns and identify anomalies early. For even more detail, distributed tracing tools like Jaeger or Zipkin help track how requests move between services. They show where delays happen and how different parts of your system communicate. Handling the volume of logs is also important. Use log rotation and compression to reduce storage needs. Set retention policies to keep only what's necessary. For services generating huge amounts of logs, sampling can help reduce noise without losing important data. And don't forget security. Encrypt logs, control access carefully, and mask sensitive information to keep data safe. Putting all these pieces together creates a clear, unified view of your microservices environment. It makes debugging faster, helps you spot issues early, and keeps your system running smoothly. By standardizing logs, using correlation IDs, centralizing collection, processing logs in real time, gathering metrics, and applying security best practices, you turn chaos into clarity. That's how you make monitoring and logging work seamlessly across a complex network of microservices.